this is Angela Moorad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. So I want to show you something that I've added here to TD Snap Motor Plan 66 under Places, Geography, for a user who has a high interest in wanting to be able to name states and loves maps. Here is a USA States interactive map. This is taking advantage of the Boardmaker activities integration. And so I have this set. This is a visual scene with hotspots.
Washington, Oklahoma, Texas, Alaska,
Some of these targets are really tiny.
New Hampshire, Connecticut, District of Columbia, Washington, D.C., Tennessee.
But for individuals who have a high interest in maps, this could be something that's very interesting and promotes interest in using their AAC and being able to facilitate participation in activities that they enjoy. And you also have the option, so you can see I had that go full screen. If you want it in a pop-up, when you're on that button, you would just select Open in Pop-up, and done. And now it does like that, where it's easy to still use.
Delaware.
And then exit out of.